it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel for an updated hair care routine. I've switched up what I've been using, so I have lots of cool products to show you, and I'm currently at the Westgate Hotel in San Diego, and the bathroom, the bedroom, it's all just way prettier than what I have at home. So I thought it'd be perfect, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm staying here with the Bridgerton package, so I feel like fans of Bridgerton, if you're here, you definitely should check out this hotel. So I'm going to a high tea later, and I'll be getting ready for that. But anyways, let's hop into the shower. Well, rewind time. I'll hop into the shower and show you guys what I use. I didn't show this in the video, but my top tip is always to brush your hair from bottom to top so you have no knots before hopping in the shower. Avoid brushing your hair when it's wet because it'll be at its most brittle state. We want no tangles. This will help guide the product through the hair easier. It's better to not have a super hot shower for your skin and hair, but I can't say that I follow that rule. At the hotel, they had this brand, which is pretty good. I did try it out, but I wanted to bring my own shampoo and conditioner to show you guys my favorites. I decided to invest in the Kerastase Ban Densité shampoo. This is a thickening shampoo with hyaluronic acid for thinning hair, and I think one side of my hairline is just a lot thinner than the other, so I wanted to try this out, and it definitely cleanses hair buildup. When I use this, I just use it once a week. The main benefits for this line is that it strengthens hair, increases density, and is a deep cleaning shampoo. It's more on the expensive side, but I don't get my hair cut and styled or colored all that often, so I wanted to invest in a shampoo and conditioner. I lather it in my hands first, get a good lather going, and then I'll work through my scalp, making sure to get around my ears, the back of my head, massage to promote blood flow, and I never pile it on top of my head or work it all the way through the ends. I just rinse it out so I don't dry out the length of my hair. I also have the conditioner in this line, and I'll take a small amount, bring it through only the lengths and ends, and then I'll wrap up my hair in a claw clip. Love doing this in the shower, and I'll do my body care, I'll shave, I'll wash my face. And after just a couple minutes of the conditioner being in my hair, I'll rinse it out. Sometimes I'll do the cold shot if I'm feeling fancy or need to wake myself up, and that will seal in more shine, and my hair dries pretty straight. I showed my splurge option, but that's not to say that drugstore shampoo and conditioner doesn't work. My favorite from the drugstore is the Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner. I always have one in my guest bathroom, as well as when I'm traveling. I love these minis. I would love to know your favorites from the drugstore below. I don't always use a hair mask, but one of my favorites is by Briogeo, the Don't Despair Repair Mask. I was recommended this one for fine textured hair, and I really like it. I have tried Briogeo shampoo and conditioner, and I took it back. I really didn't like it, so I'm only recommending the mask here from what I've tried. Get ready while my hair is in a towel. In this set, I wore it in the Sophia Loren tutorial. It's from Amazon, and I'll have it linked down below. So cute and girly. And why not include my Kapari deodorant? This is the scent Beach. I really love it for summer, but if I'm gonna do something nerve-wracking like a shoot, which is why I came to California, I will use a secret deodorant or an antiperspirant just to be sure. But every day I love to go with a natural deodorant, and I love the smell of this one. I have a semi-secret vlog channel where I share behind the scenes of some of my life experiences, like when I got engaged, when I travel to do photo shoots, so be sure to check that out if you want to get to know me more. And after I've let my hair air dry for the most part, I'm going to use this round brush from Dyson. I love my Dyson Supersonic hair dryer with attachments. I have the silver and white version, but I do love the fuchsia one, and it's a whopping $430, so it's the most expensive blow dryer I've ever tried. I used to hate blow drying my hair though because it took so long, and this makes it very easy. I do only grab for 2 out of the 5 heads it comes with. I mainly use the gentle air attachment. It diffuses the air and creates a cooler airflow, and I like that because it's really gentle on the scalp. Then with the styling concentrator for precision styling, I'll use a brush through the ends and make sure it's all dried. Not really rounding my hair out or anything, it's so long it doesn't really hold a style like that, but making sure it's dry, and I could definitely use a haircut, but I haven't had one, so I'm taking advantage of the hotel's bathroom. And I forgot to show you guys my favorite heat protectant. This is by Bumble & Bumble, the BB Shield. I typically would use it before blow drying and then a little bit after if I'm going to do any heat styling. I will say it is hard to go back to another blow dryer once you've used this one. Most of the time in tutorials, I will curl my hair because I prefer it that way, but to save my hair from heat damage, I usually just wear it straight. So now I'm headed to the Westgate Hotel's high tea. We're having afternoon tea, and it's part of the Bridgerton package, so let's head out. As I mentioned, it is located in San Diego. They have weddings here. It's beautiful, and I just missed the Bridgerton ball in LA, so I thought I'd have my own Bridgerton experience at this gorgeous vintage-inspired hotel. Originally, I wanted to recreate this Bridgerton hairstyle for the occasion, but I didn't have enough time. I have done about 6 different Bridgerton hairstyles on my channel now, so I will have those linked.
It's a push.
I tried.
Right? Turn right? Push.
Is this not our house?
It is.
Your turn. Oh. And then in we come. Look at this. Ooh. As for heat styling, I feel like we all have a favorite curling iron. My most used one that I've had for years, it's actually broken, but it still works totally fine, is the Curly Pop wand from Bedhead. I'll just go around my head creating small curls, and then I'll tease them out, adding in my favorite high hold hairspray, the OGX Bamboo Fiber Full Big Hairspray. I wouldn't recommend this if you don't like high hold hairsprays. Like, my mom got this one because I always rave about it and was very unhappy with it because she likes when hairspray feels very light and you can brush it out. But this one is if you want your style to really stay. So that's what I aim for when I'm on camera. That's why I recommend this one. Another tip with hairspray is I'll spray upwards in little spritz, especially when I have curls, and my hair is pretty straight, so this is the only way I find that I can keep my curls. Those are some of my all-time favorite hair care products, and I'd love to know what yours are down below. Also, big thank you to Westgate Hotel for giving me this amazing experience. I did the Bridgerton package, so if you want to see all of those features, definitely check out my vlog channel. I have a lot of fun over there documenting different photo shoots and just my life. Hope to see you over there, and I'll see you in my next one.